Hello everyone, I am delighted to be here today. I would like to introduce myself shortly. I am Syed Sajiul Islam from Jahangirnagar University, Dhaka, Bangladesh, and would like to utilize this platform to talk about identification of potent acetylcholinesterase inhibitors from plants for treatment of Alzheimer's disease, exploiting the in silico approach. My talk is divided into 4 sections, which are cholinergic hypothesis of Alzheimer's disease development, materials and methods, results, and finally the discussion. The cholinergic hypothesis concerns with one of the major neurotransmitters, which is acetylcholine. Figure 1 is showing cholinergic hypothesis and role of acetylcholinesterase in AD development. Acetylcholine is synthesized by choline acetyltransferase and released from the presynaptic neuron. The acetylcholine mediates its effects on the postsynaptic neuron through nicotinic and muscarinic receptors. This neurotransmitter then performs the downstream signaling in the postsynaptic neuron. Acetylcholinesterase enzyme breaks down the acetylcholine, and overexpression of this enzyme lowers the amount of acetylcholine in the brain, which leads to the development of AD. Acetylcholinesterase inhibitors repress the activity of the enzyme, thus aid in the AD treatment. Materials and methods. 50 ligands are selected by reviewing literature that have already been proven to have inhibitory effects on the acetylcholinesterase. On sequential docking experiment, 4 best ligands were selected as the best inhibitors. Their different drug-like parameters were analyzed in different experiments. Donepezil was used as the positive control in this molecular docking study. Results. In figure 3, the green dotted lines depict conventional bond, deep pink lines depict pi-pi stacked bond, and orange ones are for charge-charge interaction. Drug likeness properties. The drug likeness property experiment was conducted for only the 4 best selected ligands: the belidifolin, naringenin, epigenin, and copticin. All the 4 ligands are predicted to follow the Lipinski's rule of 5. DFT calculation. The results of the DFT calculations showed that copticin generated the lowest gap energy. On the other hand, epigenin exhibited the highest gap energy. ADMET prediction. Here all the 4 ligands performed quite similarly in the ADMET test. PAS and P450 site of metabolism prediction. The possible sites of metabolism of the 4 ligands were also determined and are indicated by circles on the chemical structure of the molecule. Discussion. All of the selected ligands are predicted to have significant gap energy, representing their possibility to undergo a chemical reaction. However, among the 4 best selected ligands, copticin, with its lowest gap energy, was predicted to have higher probability to undergo a chemical reaction. I would like to draw the end of this presentation to a close by saying that further investigation could also be conducted on other compounds, as they had also showed convincing results in the docking analysis. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time and attention.